Well, good afternoon, peeps. As you can tell where I'm at, in the shithole, in the bottom of the boat. Anyway, we got some repairs to do. I'm gonna let the right-hand man here, the boss, Mr. Jesse, to explain what's going on. We gotta change a hydraulic line. Yeah, he'll explain the rest. And say hi to Jesse.
Hello, everybody. So hydraulic. All right, so we got a hydraulic line blown, and as you can see probably in here with Todd's video, these bolts are seized on and stripped, and they've been on there for about 200 years. So we're gonna take this fancy torch here and we're gonna blow some holes through some things, and hopefully that lets us work on it a little bit better.
Okay, hold on a sec, Jess. Okay, guys, so I'll show you as we proceed along. I'm just waiting for Jesse to put on his shield, and then we'll get her going again. Okay, guys, I'll be back. So we're heating them up now. Let's see if we can actually break them. Now when we get it hot enough, I'll start recording again. It's only a 3-minute video. Okay guys, well, I'll flip it around in a second and show you. As you can tell, you will be able to tell, the Allen bolts we couldn't get out, so part 2. We're gonna tack a bolt on the inside, and then we're gonna see if we can break it that way there. I will show you when I flip the camera around.
Hold that, buddy.
Hold on one second. So we're gonna take this, like so, weld that, and then see if we can get it out that way there. Then this might be a 2-part video.
Check.
See the joys of working on a boat that was built in 1979?